Hey guys, Clarnix here. In this video tutorial, I will show you guys how to upload the LiteBans website interface onto your website. For this tutorial, you will need a domain with website hosting already running, a MySQL database, a Minecraft server, and the LiteBans plugin website interface zip. If you have not created a database yet, start watching from here. If you have already created a database and your server is already linked and running with it, skip to the time frame posted here for the website interface part only. As you see here, I have my multicraft panel. If you don't have the website interface for LiteBans, you need to get it from the original website where you got the original LiteBans plugin. So right here, you go to the website and you select download. Now we have both of the needed files. First thing you're going to do is go to your cPanel link provided by your website hosting provider. Once you're at the login screen, log in with your details. Once you have entered, under the database section, click MySQL Databases. We will create a new database. We will name it MyServer. Once created, click Go Back. Now we will make a new user. We will also name it MyServer. The password I'll put for this is Clarnix7089 with a capital K. Click Add, and now select Go Back. Now you will add a user to the database. It should say your cPanel username underscore MyServer in the database and user section. Click Add. Select all privileges, then select Make Changes. That user has permissions to access the database. Okay, now let's go back to Multicraft. Now on the left side, select FTP file access, and let's drag this over to the side. We will upload LiteBans over with FileZilla. Now copy your FTP details from Multicraft onto the top of FileZilla. Now that we're logged in, drag and drop the LiteBans jar from your desktop onto the server to the right side. Now that it's uploaded, minimize both the windows and let's join the server. Alright, now that we're in the server, let's reload the server. Type in /reload, hit enter. Do /pl and it shows the plugins right there. On FileZilla, now let's go back to FileZilla. Right click on the right side and select refresh. Alright, now let's enter the LiteBans folder. Let's edit the config.yml. Once you have entered it, scroll down to the driver and change it to MySQL. Next thing, change the address to your website host IP, and the port will remain 3306. Now go down to the database and change this to the one we set before, as well as the user, and set the password. Save it, and now let's minimize this. Select yes on FileZilla, and now let's reload the server. It looks like we're having issues reloading the server, which is normal. On the server console, at the LiteBans section, it should say cause access denied for your database username at server hostname. Copy the server hostname after the @ sign. Usually this is not set by default and your website host is blocking our MySQL connection. So we have to go back on cPanel and select remote host. Paste in the daemon there and click add host. Now go back to Multicraft. Stop the server, clear the log, and start it again. Now it shows we're connected to the database now. Let's show them back on our server and test it. All the commands are working. Now you can go into phpMyAdmin and view the MySQL data if you wish. But we will go to the web disk to upload LiteBan's web interface. Once you're here on the left side, go to your public_HTML folder. On the top left, select plus folder, which would be add folder, and name it bands. If you own a website, for example, like example.com, the folder name will be represented after your main domain. So if you name the folder /serverbands, it will be example.com/serverbands. But for this tutorial, I'm going to name it /bands. So if we want to view it later, it will be awkwardest.host/bands. Enter the folder. Select the upload button on the top. Then drag and drop your LiteBands web interface zip onto the middle of the page. Okay, now let's go back. Now click it and select extract. Select reload. Enter the folder and select move everything to the /bands folder. Now if we go to our website, it will be here. It says on the website now we have to enter a config. Go to the /bans folder. Let's go inside Ink. And right click the settings and hit edit. Now place in the details we had for the server in there before. However, the host will remain localhost. Hit save, then go back and hit continue. Go to the bands page and you should see everything working now. However, for me it will not show since I'm not using an updated version of the plugin. To prove it's working, let's go back in the server and ban myself. There we go. Now on the website, reload it. On the website, if you refresh it, it will show bans now from 0 to 1. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you in any shape, way, or form. Like it if you liked it, dislike it if you hate it. Comment any questions or issues and I'll be sure to help. If you want to keep up to date with me and my tutorials, feel free to subscribe to me so you can be notified when I release more videos. Have a nice day.